Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss some of the questions of forecasting, okay, based on ESM method and forecast. Okay, so I have already told you about the ESM method and I have already told you how to calculate the forecast error. There were different types of forecast error. So calculation of each and every type of forecast error, I have already given you the formula, okay, that spell it from the backwards. And in case of ESM method, it requires the latest demand and old forecast, and you also require alpha, that is exponential smoothing constant. Okay, so if these three things are given, you can calculate the forecast for the next month. So it is one of the questions. We will read the question. It says that the demand for a product in the month of March, okay, the demand for a product in the month of March turned out to be 20 units. Okay, so they are saying that the demand of a product in the month of March is 20 units against an early made forecast of 20 units. Okay, now it means this is the demand data and this is the forecast data for the month of March. Now the actual demand for April and May turned out to be 25 and 26 units respectively. Okay, so the demand data for April and May is 25 and 26 units. So they are asking what will be the forecast for the month of June. Okay, so they are asking the forecast for the month of June using ESM, that is exponential smoothing method, if alpha is 0.2. Okay, so you know how to calculate. So what we will do, we will make a table for this question. Okay, in case of ESM method, try to make the table, try to list the different data in the form of table, then you can calculate the given information. So what we will do, we will write here demand. First we will write month. Okay, we have been given month, actual demand, or simply you can write the demand data and you can write the forecast data. Okay, the demand data and forecast data. So the month they are talking about March, April, May. Okay, so they are saying that the demand for a product in the month of March is 20 units against an early made forecast of 20 units. Okay, for April and May, the demand or actual demand is 25 and 26. So they are asking that what is the forecast for the month of June if alpha is 0.2. Okay, if alpha is 0.2. So what we will do, we will calculate the forecast for the month of June. Okay, they are asking the forecast for the month of June. You can see. Okay, so every information has been written in this table. Now we can remove this question. Okay, we can remove this question. So every information has been written. Now we have to calculate forecast for the month of June. So if you are going to write like this, forecast for the month of June. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write forecast. Okay, simple. The formula was ft equals to ft minus 1 plus alpha dt minus 1 minus ft minus 1. Okay, this was the formula. So if t is the June, so t minus 1 will be May. If May plus alpha d May minus f May. Okay, so forecast for the demand for the May is 26, but the forecast data we don't know. Okay, the forecast data we don't know for the month of May. So what we will do, we will calculate the forecast for the month of May first. Okay, we will calculate the forecast for the month of May first. So forecast for the month of May, we can write t minus 1 will be April. So if April plus alpha d April minus f April. Okay, so if April we don't know. Okay, if April we don't know, you can see. Okay, we have to calculate for the June, but we have to use the data of May. For forecast for the May we don't know, So we have to calculate for the April. April also we don't know. So we will take the help of March. So F March is F April we will calculate. F April is F March plus alpha D March minus F March. Okay, so now we will put the values. Okay, F March we have got 20 plus 0.2 into D and F March both is 20. So this is going to be 20. Okay, so here we have got 20 F April. Now we will put this F April here. Okay, the data of F April we will put here 20 plus 0.2 into D April is 25. 25 minus 20. So it is going to be 21. So here we have got 21. Now we will put the 21 here. So this is 21 plus 0.2 into 21 minus, this is 26 minus 21. So this is going to be 22. So we can write here 22 units. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, this 22 is our answer. Okay, so it was a 2 marks objective question. Okay, so the final answer we can say that F forecast for the month of June is 22. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, now we will take the second question. Okay, now we will take the second question. Okay, now we will take the second question. So I am writing the question number 2. Okay, it is a GATE 2 marks question. GATE 2 marks question, and the question is given like this is the month and this is the demand. Okay, we have got month versus demand data. Okay, and we have got the data of various months. So the months are September, October, November, December, Jan. Okay, so we have got this information, and the data are okay. So what they are saying find the forecast for the month of February, you can say, using 4 period moving average method. Okay, so they are asking for the month of Feb. Okay, so this is a GATE 2 marks question. So the question has been given that the month of September, October, November, December, Jan has been given. The demand data is 180, 280, 250, 190 and 240. Okay, so they are saying that find the forecast for the month of Feb using this 4 period moving average method. Okay, using this 4 period moving average method. Okay, so we know, okay, we have got the records of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have to only use 4 period moving average method. So how we are going to write F for the Feb? Okay, so moving average says that include the latest demand data and exclude the oldest demand data. So we will start from the latest 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the oldest. Okay, this is the oldest. So what we are going to write for the Feb, this Jan plus F December plus F November plus F October and divided by 4. Okay, so just take these records. Jan for it is 240, it is 190, this is 250, this is 280 divided by 4. Okay, so just you are going to calculate it. The answer is 240 units. Okay, so this is going to be the answer. The question is very simple. It is a 2 marks question, using 4 period moving average method. So just take the 4 data from the recent. For February, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the recent, and this will be the oldest. So discard it and take the average. 240 is going to be the final answer. Okay, so just practice these questions. Okay, so just practice this question. Thank you.